In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve Wi-Fi icon disappeared when in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, you can try some method. First one, open services and here find out auto config. This one, WLAN auto config. Double click on it and here select automatic. Then apply. Then click on OK. So this is the first method. Second one, open device manager. Now here expand network adapters. Now here you will see the your Wi-Fi drive. Right click on it and update driver. Select first time this search automatically. Exit. If not work, so right click on it and disable device. Now right click on it and enable. Still you are facing problems, so third method, right click on it and uninstall device. Now action and click on scan for hardware changes. And try to connect internet. And still you are facing problems, so you can try another method. Open settings. Now here network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and just click on reset now. And after that restart your system. And still you are facing problems, so last method you can try. Open control panel. Now here select category, network and internet, network and sharing center. Now right click on your internet connection. It can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then here click on properties. Then select internet protocol version 4. Then properties. And here select this one, obtain an IP address automatically and obtain the DNS server automatically. Then click on OK. Still the facing problem, so here click on change adapter settings and right click on Wi-Fi and disable. After a few seconds right click on it and enable. Same if you are using Ethernet, so same process, right click on it and disable, and after a while just enable it. So these are guys possible way to fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not. And still you are facing problems, so comment, I will try to reply it.